The sun. This almost inexhaustible source of energy has huge potential. Within 6 hours, deserts receive more energy from the sun than humankind consumes within a year. Andalusia in Spain is a good example that offers ideal conditions for using the power of the sun for the region's energy demand. In Lebrija, about 60 kilometers south of Seville, clean electricity will soon be produced by a Siemens solar thermal power plant. Starting in 2011, it will feed enough power into the Spanish grid to supply up to 50,000 households.
We use these parabolic mirrors to concentrate the sun's rays and heat the oil, flowing through special receiver tubes. The oil transfers the heat to water, which evaporates into steam. The high-pressure steam drives a turbine, which in turn drives a generator to convert the mechanical power into electrical power.
Siemens has the experience and the technology portfolio needed to create such solar thermal power plants. The solar field in Lebrija consists of over 170,000 mirrors which precisely track the sun's position. The higher the quality of the finish and the more precisely the mirrors track the sun, the higher the efficiency of the system.
We use a very environmentally friendly energy source. We use the sun, and sunshine doesn't cost anything.
This solar thermal power plant is one more example of Siemens' focus on innovation-driven growth markets. It shows how Siemens, as a solar thermal pioneer, is making an effective contribution to climate protection.